What's up everyone and welcome back to the YouTube Creator News. First up, a decent update for community control. YouTube is rolling out who can comment settings. You can now lock the comments to subscribers only and even set a minimum subscription duration. During a controversy or viral video, you can turn this on to prevent hate rates, or you can use it to reward loyal fans by making the comment section an exclusive perk. It brings the sub-only mode from Twitch chat directly to your VODs. Use it wisely. Next up, a warning for your wallet. YouTube is updating the automatic mid-roll ad settings. They say it's to find better non-interruptive placements, and they announced it already back in March. The AI might decide that fewer ads are better for the viewer. While we all want a good viewer experience, this could lead in a drop in ad inventory on your long-form videos. So don't just trust the auto setting blindly right now. Check your top performing videos over the next 2 weeks and see if you can spot a dip in RPM you might want to adjust manually. Alright, here's a feature that feels like a blast from the past. In-app messaging is coming back to YouTube. If you've been on YouTube as long as I have, you might remember that we had direct messages on YouTube until 2019. I even made a video about their shutdown back then. Well, YouTube's bringing them back as a new pilot test for adults 18+ in Ireland and Poland. You can share videos and chat directly in the app again. But there's a crucial difference to your standard messenger apps. Messages may be reviewed to ensure they follow community guidelines. This implies automatic scannings of your private shares. Since this is not an end-to-end encrypted messenger but a moderated YouTube space, the same rules apply as in the comment section or anywhere else on the platform. Keep that in mind before you slide into someone's DMs. I want to know, will you be using the subscriber-only comment mode, or are you afraid it will kill your engagement? Are you looking forward to use YouTube DMs? Let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Thanks for stopping by, take care, and I'll see you next week with more creator updates.